If you're tired of looking at houses that feel like projects, you're not going to want to miss this one. We're located in Silverado Ranch, and this is the definition of a move-in ready home. Inside offers almost 1,800 fully refreshed square feet. Come and enjoy new flooring downstairs and fresh coat of paint both inside and out.
It's a pool-sized yard, which is a rare find in this price point in Vegas. It's a blank slate to make it your own.
Your daily life just got easier.
You are minutes from Costco, Trader Joe's, and the Silverado Ranch Community Center. Or if you want to head to the Strip or the airport to catch a flight, you are in the center of it all. Positioning is everything. With the location, the yard, and the upgrades, this is a major win for a first-time homebuyer or a busy professional.
Don't wait for the perfect market. Buy the right home. Contact us for more details.